What's up guys? Just for PH nga pala ano. At kasama natin ngayon ang classmate ko na si April no. Shout out sa iyo Aprilin Martinez no. Yan. Start na natin guys. Yan. Ayan. Na-start na. Oh yan. Grabe no. Umaga. O, ayan na, nag-start na guys. O, ayan. O, ayan, enter na tayo. Napakatagal, ayan na. Grabe, sino mid lane? Sino mid lane par? Yan. Naku, mag-XP daw mag-gold lane daw si Aprilin guys, oh.
Your team is banning.
Estes! Aprilin, Estes! Magkasama tayo, te.
Your team is banning.
Oo nga! Magkasama tayo, te. Oo nga. Yan. Uy! Laglag number 1, Layla! Grabe! Kita mo yun, te? Oo, kainggit. Hindi tayo maiinggit sa kanya, guys. Dahil mas gwapo naman tayo sa kanya, no? Mas gwapo tayo sa kanya. Mas gwapo naman tayo sa kanya, no? Mas gwapo tayo sa kanya, no? Yan.
The enemy is picking.
Wipe out all the injustice in the world.
Papakitaan ko siya ng win rate, guys. O, ayan. O, yan. Kita mo yun? Kita mo yun, mga friend? Kita mo yun? Kita mo yun? Kita mo yun?
Sanjo.
O, yun?
Is picking.
Kita mo yun? Kita mo yun, mga friend? Kita mo yun?
The enemy is picking.
Napakataas ang win rate ko. Tapos 7 matches.
Heart of light. Therefore, I do not fear the darkness.
Kita mo? Kita mo? Kita mo, te? Kita mo yun? Kita mo yun, te?
Your team is picking.
As timeless as a glacier's
Ayan.
heart.
Ayan! Langya! Mag-chow tayo, guys! Mag-chow! Chow tayo! Oh.
Demons shall bathe in their blood. The light belongs to the righteous.
Te. Edited! Edited! Hindi, joke ko lang. Bakit? Room tayo guys, no? Room tayo. Room tayo guys. Room tayo. Room tayo, no? Oh my god. Buti na lang guys. May Angela tayo, no? Yan. So guys, papakitaan ko kayo mag-chow. Papakitaan ko tong si April na to. Number one pa eh. Edited. Edited yan, boy. Edited yan. Pero April, ako ay isang magaling mag-chow. Yung papakitaan ko kayo mag-chow. Ayan. Kahit number 1 ka pa. Mag-Layla. So, 1v1 pa tayo. Laglag pa. Oh my god. Yawa.
Mobile Legend.
Ito na.
Launch attack back 5 seconds.
Time mo ko, par.
Reaches the battlefield. Smash the troops deployed.
Yo.
Not knowing oneself.
Oh my god. Papakitaan kita ng
In the world of
freestyle
kung
ha,
fu,
Aprilin.
speed
Manood ka
defines the winner.
kung paano mag-freestyle ang isang Jasper. Yan. Ay, sira ulo.
Knowing
Ay,
is
lag
not
to!
enough. We must apply.
Blood.
Ala! Hahaha. Lag yun, par. Lag yun. Lag yun, April.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Launch attack.
Understood.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
許可なく見上げるな。不愉快だ。
Naglalag si Melissa, April. Huwag kang ganyan. Huwag kang ganyan, April.
Boxing
Masama
is not
ka.
a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Uwi, par! Uwi!
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Aray! Aray, mga friend. Papakitaan kita mag-chew, Aprilin, no? Hindi kita papakita. Ay, hindi ako uuwi. Hindi ako uuwi. Atapang atawa ko, eh. Kita mo yun? Pipistalan ko to mamaya, par.
Understood.
Oh, kita mo yung Silvana na yan? Durog sa akin yung mamaya. Nakita mo yan, Aprilin? Ha? Durog sa akin yung Silvana mamaya.
In the world
Hintayin mo ang late game ko, my friend.
defines the winner.
Nagtatago yan din eh. O, diba?
Gather up the turtle.
Back, back! Retreat! Retreat, par!
Not knowing
Ay, bahala ka dyan. Di kita kukanan. Papakitaan kita mag-chew.
The turtle.
Papakitaan kita mag-chew ngayon. Ano, my friend? Dami na.
boxing is not a way to hurt somebody,
Oy,
but in
par.
order.
O, kita mo yan, par?
Understood.
Ay! Ay!
Understood.
Tulong, pare!
Darkness.
Ano yun, April? Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun?
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Request backup.
Pa,
Understood.
Request backup.
Everybody
yeah.
has to start somewhere.
An ally has been slain. Launch attack. Slain. Request backup.
Ay, magsugod! Papaki... Ano ba yan?
Request backup.
Hindi mo ako tinulungan, April! Ano ba yan?
Okay.
Or dalaw.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Lakat to, April! Lukot to. Lalak ka daw, lalak ka daw. Michael na, ay Michael. Michelle ba? Michael ba?
Understood.
Yan.
Initiate retreat.
So guys, partida na to, no? Yan. Mas gwapo pa tayo sa mas... Ano ba yan, April?
See anything but darkness.
Sige! Naku po!
Gather up the turtle.
April ano nga?
Gather up the turtle. Gather up the turtle. Gather up the turtle.
Ah,
Boxing is not a way to hurt
Ano
somebody,
yun?
but in order.
ano yun? Mamaya kasi. Mamaya kasi.
Okay.
Weh!
Double kill.
Hindi nga. Oy, amin yan, amin yan!
The world of kung fu
Aray ko!
defines the winner.
Help mo kasi ako. Di mo ko tinutulungan eh. Kaya tayo namamatsay.
Not knowing oneself,
Oh.
that's the worst.
Langya.
Backup. Initiate
Papakitaan kita mag-chow.
Turtle.
To fill it again.
Ah! Loko ka!
Gather up the turtle.
Ah! O, bahala.
Gather up the turtle.
O, kickback!
The man who
Kickback.
can beat me has not been born yet.
Aray ko, par! Kita mo yun? Kita mo yun? Kita mo yun, April? Kita mo yun?
Shut down! Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
O, diba, Aprilin? Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Papakitaan kita ng malupitang
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Yan. Isa akong malupitang chugads. Baka insection to. Ay, Raichu pala. Tingnan mo. Papakitaan kita ng malupitang freestyle, Aprilin.
Your team destroyed a
Oho! Putik ka! Walang iya ka naman eh. Ano ba yan, April?
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Takbo, pre!
Initiate retreat.
Understood.
Retreat, pare!
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Look! Look! Look!
Request
Look.
backup.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Understood.
Ally has been slain. Request backup. An enemy has been slain. Okay. Request
Tingnan mo, Aprilin, kung paano mag-chew ang isang Jasper.
Not
Ito
knowing
na.
yourself.
So guys, no?
Understood.
I-target natin si Melissa, no? Tira ulo ko. Kabado, par!
You have slain an enemy. Launch attack. Okay.
Kita mo yon?
Our turret is under attack.
Kita mo yon, pre? Kita mo yon?
Turtle.
Killing.
Galing ko mag-chew.
Request backup.
Mag-chew.
Double kill.
Gather up the turtle.
Pag may...
The man who can beat me has
Wrong
not been
spelling
born
ka,
yet.
te! Wrong spelling ka!
Request
Wrong
Understood.
spelling...
Everybody has to start
Kapre.
somewhere.
Request backup. Okay.
Gather at the Lord. Understood. Retreat from the Lord.
Mega kill.
Kita mo yan, Silvanang yan?
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Ay! Ay, loko!
I could not see,
Loko!
but dark.
Chamba!
Request.
Chamba!
Understood.
Grabe ba?
Mega kill.
Grabe ba?
Our turret has been destroyed.
Pag nag-funny ako, ha?
The man who can beat me has not been
Your
born yet.
team destroyed.
Retreat! Retreat!
Request backup. Okay. Request backup. Okay. An enemy has been slain. Request backup.
Ito, tingnan mo to, tingnan mo to.
Monster kill.
Guys. So, guys, no? Uy! Uy, akin yan! Sayang, my friend! April, dito!
An ally.
Sa taas, April!
slain Lord.
Sa taas, sa taas! Sa taas, April.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Iprilin! Uy, asan na? Iprilin! Taas, dali! Baka mapatay ko pa tong zilong na to.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Initiate launch attack.
Langya tong Angela! Sumanib! Thank you.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but an order.
Sabi ko sa'yo, Aprilin eh. Namatay ka tuloy. Ay, langya. Lagla ko. Haha. Ah, lagi ka. Ano nga, Aprilin? Number 1 laglag ba yan? Ang galing mo ah. Believe. Unbelievable. Oh. Oh.
Monster kill. Shut down.
Grabe ba? Pinakitaan ko kayo ng galawan, Chu.
Your team
We,
destroyed.
baka wrong turn.
Launch attack. Okay.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply. In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines.
Ay!
I could not see anything.
Sira ulo! Sira ulo! Patay na naman ako! So guys, no? Ewan ko ba kay Iprilin? Top 1 global! Ay, hindi pala yung global. Top 1 laglag. Ano ba yan? Iprilin. Seryoso mo naman, par. Seryoso, par. Seryoso, par. Seryodo. Seryoso, par. Seryoso, par.
Knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Seryoso. Naku.
Your team retreat. Okay. Shut down.
Natsambahan ko. Ano? Ano daw? Ano daw, pre?
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Ay, mali! Napakasakit!
Not see any
Sira ulo!
darkness.
Si Iprilin! Buhay na pa si Iprilin. Ayun! Iprilin, sige! Balagbaga mo! Sige!
Understood.
Ayun o, Silvana! Sige! Sige! Pakitaan ko kayo mag-funny mamaya. Pakitaan ko kayo mag-funny. Ay! So, guys, mamaya pala, pagtapos ng game na to, tatapusin ko na tong video na to, no? At yung lalaro ulit kami ni Prilin. Fun.
Understood.
So, magkukuhan kami. Hindi ko na marirecord, guys. Kasi, masyado na mahaba to. Thanks, God. 18 minutes na to, guys, oh.
We must apply.
Grabe. Puro core.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Ay!
Understood.
Slain.
I could not see
Putik!
anything.
Putik! Putik!
An
Putik!
enemy has been slain. Request backup.
Ipar! Putik! Nice one!
Initiate retreat.
Loko!
Launch attack.
Understood.
Nako. Subscribe nyo naman, guys, no?
Boxing is not a
Mag-subscribe
way
kayo
to
at
hurt
i-like nyo na rin, no?
somebody, but an order.
Subscribe nyo na. La la la. Target ko tong Hayabusa, guys. Kasi kuan. Prilin! Amin
The
yan.
man who can beat
Loko
me has
ka.
not been born yet.
Mega kill. Double kill.
Pag pinakitaan ko kayo ng freestyle dyan, baka makanganga kayo. Napakalakas ko.
In the
Mag-chow.
world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Ay, putek. 3, 2, 1. Saglit.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Ay! Na-cancel ko yung SS ko! Walang ya! Kaya pala. Sige, kaya yan. Kaya to, guys. Kaya to.
Request backup.
Understood.
Dali, kaya to. Ay, panalo to, panalo to. Ano? Sige. O yan, nice one. Ang sakit ng kwan natin. Alucard.
Request backup. Okay.
Naku po. 4, 3, 2. Kaya to, guys. Kaya to.
Okay.
Kaya to, kaya to.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Understood.
Kaya to, guys. Loko.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Oh my god. Nice one. Sorry, nandito kasi. What do you mean?
Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Launch attack. Legendary.
Nako. Uy, napakasakit ko, guys. Kita niyo yan?
Start somewhere.
Tapusin! Wow! So guys, dito ko natatapusin ang video na to at sana nag-enjoy kayo, no? At sana bigyan nyo naman ako ng 10,000 likes at i-subscribe nyo na rin, no? Okay, salamat!